I use if functions all the time, as they output different data depending on the result of the function. Essentially, they break down to if this happens, do something, otherwise do something else. The if function in Google Sheets allows you to check a condition and return one value if the condition is true and another value if the condition is false. The syntax of the if function is as follows: if condition, value if true, value if false. Breaking down the formula into each argument: condition, the logical test that you want to perform. This can be a comparison between two values or any other expression that evaluates to either true or false. Value if true, the value will be returned if the condition is true. This can be a number, text, or any other type of value you want to return. Value if false, the value that will be returned if the condition is false. Once again, this can also be a number, text, or any other type of value. The condition statement offers several qualifiers, which are used to state what the condition is calculating. The range of qualifiers are greater than, less than, equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, or doesn't equal. Here is a range of examples, all based from the same formula, but each using a different condition qualifier. In each of these examples, the if statement is used to evaluate a logical test and return a value based on whether the test is true or false. The logical test is always enclosed in parentheses after the if keyword, and the values to return are separated by commas. The first value is returned if the logical test is true, and the second value is returned if the logical test is false.